Hi everyone, welcome to the video walkthrough of my latest course, Newborn Envelopes. And this is a beautiful course in which you will learn 5 exclusive envelopes, which includes a coin box, a goodie box and a chocolate box as well. And the 5 other super gorgeous envelopes that are so easy to put together, and you can make them in bulk and get your orders ready in no time. Apart from this, I will show you different variations of these bulk envelopes that you can make with this gorgeous gender neutral paper pack by Papericious. I also launched a coordinating newborn gift boxes course in last year in the month of December. If you have enrolled for that course and you're joining in for this course as well, you are in for a treat. Also, we have a bonus project for you guys, which is this adorable baby badges for all the relatives. And this course is available with kit and without kit, and for all the other details you can read in the captions. For enrolling in the class, just drop us a DM or WhatsApp me. I'm sure these adorable projects will steal your heart away. I am Priyanka from Memory Keepers, always hoping to inspire you guys. See you. Bye.